Let me show you how to shut off a bit of an annoying warning message that always appears when we want to close our internet browser. When we have several tabs open and we'd like to close our Explorer window, a warning appears that asks us if we want to close all the tabs that we have open. We might only want to close the tab that we're viewing. So there's a warning that comes up, and some people find it annoying. They just want to close their browser and not have to deal with any messages. We see that the message appears, do you want to close all tabs? So in order to get rid of this warning message, what we need to do is we need to go into our tools and then into Internet Options, and we see that in the General tab we have a setting underneath Tabs. We click the Settings button in Tabs and we see above we have an option. These are basically all the settings that we use to configure our tabs options. We see up top we have an option to turn off or on the warning when tabs are closed. So now that we've turned off the warnings option, what happens now is when we close our browser, we see that we don't get a warning, but rather the window closes right away.